back to my channel. This one is going to be a quick and straight to it video. I'm going to be sharing you guys how I go from looking crazy to looking pulled together with my hair. So what are the 3 ways that I like to get my hair into a puff? So hopefully you guys will enjoy this little quick tutorial. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 easy ways to do your high puff. If you're still transitioning, if your hair is super short, you can still fake it till you make it, because I had to do that when I was transitioning, when my natural hair was kind of just getting long enough to get a semi puff. So I'm going to show you guys what I used to do for that, and also going to share how I achieve this high puff. Now, like I say later on in the video, this is not perfect because I'm not going anywhere, I'm not doing anything. It's already nighttime, actually. Be going to bed after this. But I just wanted to share with you guys. So it's up to you how much you want to do, how much you want to lay your edges and all that stuff. But I just wanted to share with you guys my 3 easy ways to do it. So if you want to see how I achieve this high puff and how you could do this high puff, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. So let's go right into this video. Alright, you guys, this is what I look like right now. I know I look a little bit homeless. So basically what happened was, I've been out for the last 2 days, so I haven't really done anything. I haven't gone anywhere. So it's kind of, I just let my hair be. If I'm not really doing much, I let it be. The only thing I did do was lay on the couch, and you're supposed to cover your hair. Make sure you're covering it with a satin or silk cover when you're on the couch and stuff like that. But anyway, it's not bad, and it's been an entire week of me having my hair out. Anyway, I want to make this quick for you guys. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to take you guys on how I look like this and then look like that. So like you guys saw in the intro. So how I go from just looking crazy to at least pulling my hair together if I have to run and do something. So if you don't know how to put your hair in a puff, if your hair is shorter than mine, if you're still transitioning, if you're new to this, you want to know how people do their high puffs or whatever you call it, how you get it up into a pineapple, this video is for you. So all you need is either water or some leave-in conditioner. If you want to cheat the system like I do, you just put a little bit of leave-in conditioner inside some warm water, shake that up really good. I just put one of my moisturizing milk. I think it's the Mane Choice one. It doesn't matter. Just put a tiny bit of leave-in. I put like 1 drop of oil and into my spray bottle with some warm water. You need your brush, of course. You're not gonna really brush too much, but you need your brush. I have some edge control. If you have like, what's that other one called? Shine Jam or something like that, you can use it. I'm using this one because this is one of my favorite edge control. I haven't found anything better yet, but the Blueberry Bliss one from Curls is amazing. It holds my hair down. It's good enough. I don't want to use like I used to use like a water-based gel, but it never turns out really good unless you have time to really tie your hair down and let it dry so the edges can lay down. Then I wouldn't recommend using a regular water-based gel. So those are my tips. I have my brush, and there's so many different ties you can use. There's no rule to it. I have these brown ones. I honestly don't even remember where I got these from. I have these regular black ones. You can get these at Walmart, Beauty Supply Store, Amazon, wherever you can get them from. Now I used to have the thicker one, and I found these thinner ones, and I figured I'll just buy these as well. If you're like me and didn't know, these regular black ones that you get at Walmart, which most time if I'm lazy I don't even tie it, I just put it around my hair like this. But did you know that these come where you can braid them? So let's see if this one breaks. And you have one long piece. I didn't know this till months into my natural hair that, oh, these can be opened and used as a tie. If you have a shoelace, you can use it. I know there's videos on YouTube about cutting like a leggings and using that because it's stretchy as well, and it's not very, what is the word, pulling on the hair or whatever. So whatever you have, you can use it. As you can see, I still have definition along my ends, still got curls, just look a little crazy and a little bit dry. So that's your focus. You just want to basically get around it and still keep your definition and your style. So I'm going to spray the water around. Doesn't have to be soaking wet. You just want your, and I can spray a little bit all over just to give like a little bit of hydration. But the majority, I'm just focusing on my outer parts, along the back. And I'm washing my hair tomorrow, so that is another reason why I'm not doing too much. I'm just trying to get my hair up so I can look decent and film another video. So I figured I'll just show you guys. So once you spray, you'll start to feel, you know, it coming to life. It's easier to manage. And that's when you can start going in with a little bit of gel. Like I said, I am going nowhere, so I'm gonna skip the gel part and just go in with the edge control. As you guys can see, I'm not using the regular edge brush either because I'm not gonna lay down my edges, tie it down, and go through all that right now. I'm probably just gonna, so I'm just gonna use this bigger one. It's like whenever I'm whenever I'm lazy and I just want to be quick, I use this one because it's gonna get a bigger amount quicker than using. So I'm just looking at my monitor here so I can kind of see what I'm doing, but you guys see, just start brushing that in. I'm not making all that swoop stuff. Get a little bit more to get the other side, and I can go in after as well. So also in the back, just like brushing it upwards. So that's pretty much that. You just want to kind of get all the flyaways, all your edges and stuff. You can see it's not like laid perfect. So I'll go back in after on a super lazy day. And also if your hair is way shorter than mine, if your hair is at that awkward stage, like when I was transitioning, wasn't able to get into a full puff, but there's enough hair to have something, I would usually just grab one of these, push it back, push this up to about as far as it will go, and then you just fluff. Now I'm not gonna do it perfect right now because I'm about to take that back down, but I just wanted to show you, if your hair is short, don't worry about it. Just use one of these big ones, push it up to where you feel is a decent height, and you can fluff, lay your edges, and you're done. Okay, second way is if you can wrap it twice to get a bigger puff, you can also do that. Sometimes, that's what I was saying about these, sometimes if I'm not in the mood, because when you tie it, it can be super tight. So I like to just put this here. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see. So I kind of twist it, hold it right there. I think you guys can see. So I'm gonna push the back up, and then I'll just wrap this over. This is what I've been doing lately, like going to work, not in the mood to like lay it perfectly. See that? She don't look homeless no more. So I push it up, I do that, and then again, I'm not gonna lay it yet because I still have to try the third method. But then you go in, fix your little edges, brush it in, do your little swoop if you want to do your little swoop, lay it down. And if you have time, you can tie it down so it will stay in place, but right now we're not doing that. So that is my second way to get my puff. Again, you can fluff this, you can pick it out, you can get it as big as you're able to get it, a little bit tamed. And that's it, puff number 2. Puff number 3 now. So puff number 3 is basically the same thing, but instead you're using something that you can tie. So the one that I just broke open is the one I'm going to use. This is where you would use the shoelace or whatever it is that you can use. So this is the tying method. So again, it's kind of the same thing. You pull it to the front and you start pushing the back up. Let me see if I can. All right, so you're at the base and you just start pushing upwards. Hopefully that was helpful. I don't know. Anyway, so you want to push it up. You want to try to keep it as flat. If you start to feel like there's hair missing or not caught in it, then just start over. But I think I'm good in the back. So now I'm going to make my tie. That's my tie, right? And you're just going to pull. Now this is why I said I don't really use this method a lot, because usually sometimes I get headaches from it. So I make sure everything is pulled in the back the way I want it to be. I just pushed it up a little bit more, and it's pretty easy. You just pull the string till it's tight enough. Then I'm going to do a little tie. That's pretty much it. Just gonna pick it up a little bit. Now you just go back in with a little bit of edge control and lay your edges down a little bit more. And that is puff number 3. Like I said, I use those 3 all the time. Like, it just depends on if I'm rushing to the gym. I probably will throw on the brown one, just push it under it just to get the hair up my face. Like I said, I've been using the second one a lot more to avoid tying and making it so tight. And this is the most common one that everybody uses. Alright guys, so that is it for my 3 easy puffs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Like I said, just make it your own in terms of how much you want to do to your edges, how tight you want it to be. Enough time and want to just tie this down so it lay flat and stay in place, then you can do that. But I'm not even leaving the house today, so hope you guys enjoyed this. This was quick and easy. I just wanted to share with you guys because I know not everybody know how to do it, and YouTube helped me learn how to do it. So just wanted to share those 3 with you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you know someone who probably wanted to learn how to do this, go ahead and share it with them as well. Leave me a comment down below if you do your high puff differently, but this is my quick, easy way to do it. So yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.